Now he watched us from the corner of his eye and said, so move like this would be so wise. Oh, now he's standing my way. Sing it! I got he's standing in my way. Story goes on and on and on. Around in my mind, now it's with me on my bed. She said, I just wanna start to get closer. Over now, she loves me now. I just feel it. Over my head, some little. She loves me now. I said, he said. Do you remember? I'm gonna take you down the trip. Hey, made it try but could not stay. My made it try but could not get her love. Some fool they try to trick her with his money. Turn around and wonder what she's made of. She just loved it, proving everything we got going. Oh, la 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 la. Let's go with the heart so beating. Yo, now the woman just loved us, proving everything we got going. Oh, la la la. If it lasts, long as the heart so beating. Don't even know where to start. Don't even know where to start. Might as well I tell you all the thoughts that I've been hiding. It's a list so long I only know where to start. Lady love, don't be offended if I should tell you you're a hell of a kind of woman, and you do something special to my heart. She wears a ring and a lady, no it's no much no lady. The only thing sweeter than mine is gone now. People like to say, queen and lady. People stand and say, only thing sweeter than mine is gone. Girl. Just look at me now. The breeze is blowing so hard.
We still love you.
I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh, say that reason. I hope you do believe me, yes. I love you. Oh, God. If you alone were meant for me, is this your loving Lord? Said you never change. Hey, little girl, it's got me tempted to touch. I just say you will. You keeps me wanting so much. Thank you. Thank you, my family. I want to thank you for all the years that you've given attention to me. Thank you for making me into this person that I am. Thank you for making me a part of your family through all these years. And I say this from my heart. Because without you, there'd be no little Beres. Oh, baby, I will walk mine. Just a few years, you're good. Now let me explain to you, yeah. You're running to every corner. I'm confess to you now. What you're doing to this brother. You got my mind, holding my soul, burning with desire. And you never right, give me the chance to hold in my body. Baby, what do you expect from me? Just in the middle of the road, there's something wrong with me. So that I can get your full attention, I want to explain to you, yeah, you're a hit on every corner. But I'm confess to you right now, what you do with this brother. You got my mind, heart and soul, burning with desire. And if ever I give me a chance to the bone in my body, don't let me cry. Crying is a sign of weakness. I ain't gonna cry till you know what you need to strive for my bed and die. I would walk miles with you, baby. Yeah. Do you remember? My gosh. Oh, ay, 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 ay. Oh, ay, ay, ay. Can I hear it? Go again, say. Cha-cha-cha, please, say, sing it, sing it. Everything blessed? Say yes. Say yes. Your eyes show me everything. All I need to know about you. Those eyes that lie to me. Oh, even if they wanted to. Special eyes, angel eyes. Gives my heart good exercise. Non-stop pumping me with joy. Situated my world. Your eyes show me everything. All I need to know about you. The eyes could I lie to me. Oh, even if they wanted. I'm on the doctor's orders, and the remedy is super. I feel a shiver. I'm feeling down there, and I'm a true believer. I know what it's all about. Hey, I know it's not the flu. It's all because of you. I feel a trembling in a way. Come back again of another day. I feel a tug of joy, and my heart gets warm. Just thinking about you, holding, squeezing you in my arm. And as the day turns to night, loneliness gives me a fight. I'm afraid to close my eyes. Yes, it's another sleep. You know, sometimes I think that I'm getting too old for this shit. Hey, I'm just saying. What I'm saying? I'm just saying. Where me look for the whole of it? Where me at?
Love you, Beres.
Kingston coming. Hush. Hey. You know that is like a kid, yeah? Probably performing in New York. He was about this high. I don't always know to. He doesn't go and get the big truck. But just come up like a damn little pervert. But his family used to dance. I know he's starting to sing. Give him a moment. Sing! Yeah, run from back to worse. All right. Ask them if they think you're boss.
You think Naga boss?
Boss? Say yes. I just love them like that, you know? And I'm sure they have all the potentials, you know?